Hello everyone, I am Askeraliyev. My partner is Yusuf Mirzadeh. Today our subject is control flow valve and its sizing. Today we discuss what is a control valve and valve sizing, ways of control valve, types of control valve, what is CV and so on. Okay, what is a control valve and valve sizing? A control valve is a inline device in flow streams that receives commands from the controller and manipulates the flow of gas or fluid is one of three ways. First way is interrupt flow, short of service. Divert flow, and second is divert flow to another path in the system. This is divert service. And third is regulate the rate of flow, in that is shorting service. Valve sizing, it is preferred procedure by which the dynamics of a process system are matched to the performance characteristics PV a valve. Okay, and first is short of service. Short of service control valves for flow short of service have two positions. In the open position, flow is allowed to exit the valve. In the closed position, flow is blocked from exiting the valve. And we see two example picture. In first picture is open position. In in secondary picture is closed position. Okay, divert service. Control valves for divert service also have two positions. However, flow is never blocked. In one position, flow is allowed from the command port A. In other position, flow is allowed from the command port to port B. And we see two example picture in divert service. Okay, in this page I discuss shorting service. Control valve for shorting service have many positions. The position of the valve determines the rate of flow allowed through the valve, and we see in one position in shorting service. Okay, what are the types of valves? Valves have two types. First is linear motion. Linear motion valves have a closer member that moves with a linear motion to modify the rate of flow through the valve. Linear motion valves are generally named for the shape of the closer member. Common linear motion valve include is globe, gate, diaphragm, pinch. Okay, and linear motion globe valves. Globe valves are so named for the globular shaped cavity around the valve seat area. Globe valves have good throttling characteristics, but because the flow path is not linear, they have a relatively high pressure drop across the valve. The three primary body designs for globe valves are Z body, Y body, and angle. And we see three pictures. In first picture is Z body, is secondary is Y body, and third is Rick angle globe valves. Okay, gate valves. The closer member of gate valves in the flat face vertical disc or gate that slides down through the valve to block the flow. Gate valves are designed to operate in their fully open or fully closed position and therefore are found only in flow short of application. And we see example in gate valves. Okay, in this page I discuss diaphragm valves. The closer member of diaphragm in diaphragm valve in flexible sulfate, the diaphragm that is deformed. Diaphragm valves are used mostly for short of service of slurries, corrosive or viscous fluids, but may also be used in flow throttling application as well. And we see example in diaphragm valves. Okay, what are the types of valves? And in secondary types is rotary motion. Rotary valves have a closer member that moves with a rotary motion to modify the rate of flow along the valve. Like linear motion valves, rotary motion valves are generally named for the shape of their closer member. Common rotary motion valves include and ball, butterfly, plug. Okay, rotary motion ball valve. The closer member of a ball valve is shaped like a ball which is a part of fluid flow. A ball valve allows strong valve flow in the open position and shorts of flow when the ball is rotated 90 degrees. Ball valves are used in short of and throttling application, and we see example in ball valve. Okay, and butterfly valve. The closer member of butterfly valves is a circular disc or vein which its pivot exists at right angles to the direction of flow in the pipe. Like ball valves, a butterfly valve allows strong flow in the open position and shoots of flow when the ball is rotated 19 degrees. Butterfly valves are not generally found in throttling application, and we see an example is butterfly valve. Okay, thank you so much, and